Hey everybody, good morning or afternoon if that's what it is where you're watching. My name is Brian if you've never joined me, and welcome to the shop. Today we are doing an install on the T-Rex tip-over protection for the 2020 Yamaha FJR. Now I have the 1300ES model, so if you have the AS or one of the other variants, I can't guarantee that these fit for you, but I'm pretty sure that they will, and you can always check the T-Rex Racing site for more information. So, we got the box in the mail. Let's open it up and take a look. I've cheated, I've already cut it open, but let's take a look at what all's inside. This is the full kit that they include for the bike. So you have the rollover protection for the front, you have for the saddlebags, and you have the axle skid bumper as well. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. All right, some safety packaging, don't need that. First thing we've got is our packing slip, and as we can see, it's got the front axle sliders, it's got the engine cage, and the luggage guards as well. So all three things should be in the packaging, that's great. We have got a taped set of hardware and a very well packaged item. So let's see what this one is first. Inside the hardware package, I do see that this is the luggage guard, and these are the bolts for it. So we'll set that aside. Just taped up my fingers here. As you can see from T-Rex, my first impression already is that they take great care in how they package all this, which is awesome. I will mention the guys at T-Rex Racing have been very helpful over the phone and email as I called them to verify. Their website doesn't say anything about the 2020 Yamaha yet, and so I had to ask and inquire because there were some rumors that these cage guards do not fit on my motorcycle. They were not aware of any problems. Said they should fit, so I went ahead and ordered them, and they obviously said if there is a problem, let them know, and they will give me return shipping, and we'll send them back. So we've got some more packaging to get that out of the way. There is the rear cage slider. Set that one up to the side. And next off the top of the pile, we've got a, looks like the other rear cage. Doesn't have any instructions or anything with it. Let me cut this one open. Again, these guys have done a great job of making sure everything stays protected in shipping. Much as I love all the commotion going on with the U.S. Postal Service, they're not the best. And as I thought, this is the other rear cage guard, so we'll get rid of that padding. And you can see that's the second rear cage. So that is going to go like that. Give us an idea. And there's the protection for that stuff. Now, also included, a mask. No, I will not be wearing this in the shop. Don't get me started. All right, T-Rex Racing sent me a mask. Thanks, guys. It'll go with all my spares for work. I did find some decals as well in here. And our next large piece item. This must be one of the front guards, judging by the odd shape. Let's take a look. Again, very well packaged and protected. Keep it from scratching up. I know you may not be able to see on the video, but I only have the blade of this thing very lowly penetrating the foam, so I'm not scratching on my guards. But let's see what we've got here. More tape to cut back here. One of the front guards. There's our second front guard. And finally, getting down into the pack, we've got our, this looks like the axle slider, or possibly one of the bolts for the front guards. We'll put the instructions in there. Oh, nope, there's the front axle slider right there. There's the slider on that. So, then we've got another piece of packaging, and that is it. We'll get the box down out of the way, and that's everything they've got in the box. So, give me just a few minutes. I'm gonna take a look at the instructions so I know what I'm doing. Then we'll show you what we're doing to put this on the 2020 Yamaha FJR.